Kubama ka bizasa be a very key position in the government. Nta han yule kumana nang dalma zanta bagun zo yala pam nan ya pam a observation ne sakso go shel donc bien zanzanti ama shele.
Sauf tous les pour son zanta kazan pour son zanti radio tamale de basasa nanganyine ka sur naone ne obu kule nde tsa yino kamsu ba bande kushangate nyoma dem ai ni vo shaba tule no kulien yesham nyala tenum ban biane ka bien kwalmo ye to ashar den da non alaba daloma dara nyala ban shao denye den tire ta zayino kam ne yama yi kulnege akayen no sham shi a chante mpyo kumlore sof ma wum la bale kari na wora ne onabo mutala raka dala flight mane banda tun bu be plane mane onabo mutala da kadane in fact Ashanti regional minister yalia ne bindalma asma shi onabo mutala da bulo min yelo ne o chaka lore mito na airport zan chan kurgawe no yen pela flight in Kana airport. So ne one dispatch la driver ka driver on chante bien halenta ka sa te change ai ka driver on call na ye ne ona bu mutala plane mana kurba pana ka otuum ne ora bela helicopter mana ma so biama inege akayen jitishali ona bu muntaka mala ba yina wore ne hali shabiyar urace helicopter mane ka finance minister fugo yina domin omino da amale meeting so o sahan da na ba ona bu mutala sahan da pa ona bu muntaka sahan da na ba ge so the tumun na ta zayino kam min piama yine ban sha ku to yete to amma no kulne zan shel panyala an fo ne shade yina uma zo dabayi ta hali tindana kunnan ka tanaba minin vo shaban biyar puna an fo ni shama den da yina don kun chaka nirbe min tam kwang mabo because tindanya an fo ni shama anye vurgu tabiam da baga anye vurgu anin tam kutu ngage tanam ninya musulun na ma ton kulen yesham nyala na zom bankan manam bo de table onabo mutala ne onabo limuna nyala banfu zo te zuma jawne ne kapo hine este zuma jawne de limam de yakte onabo limuna on danye regional minister kama son sim chezon ti jawna kaba nare zuma jawle jawmane kadar al-qur'an nam intir jawma sa do buhre ne ora me pamman zan chang adini ma pulo onabo mutala una kaptanum li lahayen yel on danye ni roso anfo ne shawa den yina on karndo qur'ane on non de zikire on non dongo karza nyala na un kura jamdma kace on da your bishop shukur fi sinma kace on da dere pibshawa zo obelia pibse sof na zomba na mwa
okay zan chante jende nta zo da andi tam na ba dwele the story of black box I mean and dwele wula lahba kana nyi zan para pulo ka wula ka tin banse te bang ba zo ha son bruxelles antama ke ne be ne adaka sabne shi ka bora ne mais non yaka it's not a spiritual anything spiritual nyale yar kunyala yul ka zante ya haja ba za ji nyale ezo kala la nya ben yune shama kala la nya agba chan yi in story regarding la black box on pulo.
Yes, so black box ma danyala de tabibi device shale dambe ala plane mpune ni helicopter nima binshaɣu kam din yiɣira ka nyɛ ʒɛma ni bin yiɣirigu di bi niŋdilimi niŋ di puuni now black box maa di yuli maa yila luɣu shɛli polo na wun daa malili tuuli maa bin daa mali first black box maa di daa shiri nyɛla zaɣ sabinli to amaa baŋsim ni ku yɛligiri maa ka hali di daa galisi ka box bili n daa nyɛli baŋsim ni pa yɛligiri ka binshaɣu kam filindi maa ka bi filindi punpuŋ di lan pa bin sabinli di kuli nyɛla orange laasabu ka gbanli bi mini yɛn lɛbigili shɛm
maybe hati ko zaɣ ʒee is in order
so zaɣ bilifu ŋɔ pa ku nyɛli gba but di tuma n-lee mali bukata ni binshaɣu kam din niŋ ŋɔ black box maa malila flight data di recordirila flight data wato alapile maa din yisi saha shɛli di dubu zuɣusaa dubula ka di paagi alapile maa di speed la chandi ka di daa chana alapile maa kumsim bondaalee be di puuni ka di ŋmanila di ka kamaa ka engine maa kumsim nyɛli bee tiira chana ka binshaɣu ti ku niŋ alapile maa lala recorder maa di record la data maa in addition to data recorder maa is the cockpit voice recorder maa nyɛla pilot nim maa ni ʒi luɣu shɛli polo maa fiila kam din diri nimaani be la fly black box maa recorder limi so maa mini pilot nim bii be zuɣusaa bi mini control center wato the airport nim maa bi mali baŋdiba ka plane kam din chana ti gana airspace puuni bi mini lala control centers maa yɛn diri fiila tamali malli ka Kumasi malli ka Ankara malli lala control centers so maa mini plane kam dirila fiila so pilots kam wun duhiri plane misali o yisi Ankara ni o kana tamali o yi Ankara n ti kpɛri Kumasi o yɛn yɛla Kumasi control center maa n pa kpɛri na Kumasi bɔbili ŋɔ maa wuhiya ma soli ka Kumasi bɔbili niŋ ŋɔ na yɛlo zuɣusaa daɣibu ŋɔ nyɛli saa miri kpe saa bi miri kpe plane kanda yaa ka za a nudirigu a nuzaa doli ŋɔ so saashɛli kam lala pilots ŋɔ mini ban be tingbani ŋɔ bi dirila fiila so di recordirlimi a yuli ti alapile tuma yaɣali ŋɔ maa di ti kuli niŋ ka gamo pilot ku zilisi ni gamo bilifu gba yɛn niŋmi shee zaligu nyɛla ni shee o mini control tower nim maa n di fiila so o yɛn daŋmi report problem shɛli din bɛni di nyɛla misali o chanimi ti n kpɛri saa puuni o yɛn yɛla control tower maa ka bi tuɣi o soli di nyɛla o chanimi ka o engine ti faai yinga ti zaɣisi o yɛn yɛla control tower maa ka bi sɔŋ ni o yɛn niŋ shɛm to landi luɣu shɛli polo di zuɣu ka plane nim pam bii chana ka bi dolila ko soya maa so di ti kuli niŋ ka emergency n paana ko soli ŋɔ maa bee kom maa zuɣu ka bi yɛn mɔri ni bi lu domin baŋdibi wuhiri ni baŋdibi yɛliya ni di niŋ ka alapile lu kom zuɣu di sarati balimi n gari o lu tingbanni so usually la communications maa ka bi mala so pilot maa mini o pilot tabi maa ni diri fiila shɛŋa maa zaa lala black box ŋɔ recordilimi o min control center ni di fiila kam zaasa di yɛn recordilimi di daa niŋ ka engine n develop problem because tiŋ maa nim yɛliya ni bira nyɛla alapile maa ka di ŋmanila di ku biɛla tingbanni hali ti chaŋ ti n kpe bi zilisigu puuni ka di kpe tiini so lala lahabali maa ka ti na gbuba bondaali tahali ka alapile shɛli din bi tu ni di be tingbanni ka di chaŋ hali ti kpɛri tii puuni di saha di wuhi ni din to nyɛla engine problem daaba di daa nyɛ engine problem black box ŋɔ nyɛla binshɛɣu din yɛn chɛ ka din yɛn wuhi bee din yɛn chɛ ka ban niŋdi vihigu zaŋ chaŋ di polo ŋɔ maa ka bi baŋ daliri shɛli din daa tahali now so black box ŋɔ maa di data recovery I mean, it is one thing they recorded and another thing to atu recover. So, bumala bang the ban recover. Hale, te tungba shang atong kulehre, ka dungmala babang sim tila tun ma. Den tunung ka ala place sarati tunung. Karza, she be halbi mal facilities shang den to recover data ma. She be bang the way cementans na ka kana te. Pa lala data ma kanya ye to fila sharan biyar pune dimin ka ka lala equipment ma majina ma she bazan bu fly lala black box ma en yi in chant siminten she de male lala majina ma kar to page lala ye to sharan biyar no ka ban de nyesham so in this bu pune mala data ne lala flight data recorder on abe black box ma binyala bayen zanle inji silmin ton polo ka bande bete on pale on fila shanga den dazi ka kana che bayen be lukshe polo crash ma na ma so bizza sa vego ka bien to hanye to ma shanga den bier pun zangle lan ba ta bang ben shaden da chaka sarati sheltiza.
Wow. The China younger. But is it possible that kama an dwell dear to is it possible because so any hiding yala on zese pune den to yala ngo bibi nda mi marafa to marafa mi ti kiwi kama look after ngbagi driver be pilot on tizasa mini okran to bi o man na gbabanti otutu zang pambo be passenger no paga be pabashi so den lala so din de nyi lala kama pampo bi an karande aba black box on den to capture kama de lala marfa sauma lala kama marfa ko kwale de kumsi ma karande to pa ka bang kama ngombala is it possible?
It will not be possible, but what is possible in Nyame? Sashele marafa kukwele ma nywai helicopter ma whether dirma puloka nywai be the body part kar nywai flight data recorder ma don't to record the sound ma so impact ma ben shani ma mine bullet ni make kurgo dian kunna kum shele
Yes.
so bang the ban to bang ne bullets be bomb be ben yakaza and nonglema but then I usually air crash investigations pune babu ruler out anything wato bipile the vego bang the ba ko exam na kam to checka
the no
la sarat mano so being exploring every available bongo suspicion but hanuko ban den tono but what they do is that misale be employment with engine be employment with technical so be yilma nyanya clean mara mala la fi ben da yisi airport be base air force base ma vingo bo kabranu ala plemane ka kana antba swel kabriye ka banda chana now in the flight data recorder ma be wum de men nyanya whether engine that develop a problem whether any technical issue so be all technical issues man na ka pala denon ko any technical issue nyale ka pazun the external factors so currently being no sham but their concentration will be on the technical aspect man nyala ala play ma mamang ala fi bi nage bien villa pilots ma mine de to kunno misal accident shano ya karkuza na pilot ma humsim da mulo
yes
be
gomla sabo yes
be ojila gom be okushela danzan ala play ma chantimbe so be naga technical aspects ma bien villa pilots ma be records on a min do replaying karatun mala Angela Guambe Wumsum Chamaku to land control plane ma then maza they will consider it being a technical can nage pilots ma aspects can have a sha then they will now start considering external factors so la lack of investigations chana but then so if I am balama why would anybody shoot down an aircraft in Ghana?
Yes, I didn't check a lot boss what you know ben yara ba green ya galamsi ya to an kam chenla ne
So I yunda ala play helicopters be flying range nyala between 1,000 and 10,000 feet. 1,000 and 10,000 feet. And 1,000 feet nyala it's very rare ne helicopter chen 1,000 feet. Nala the nyala a very plain area. Plain command desert. Kanyala ubon no link bag of and shatang ban the baby and sham bitang ban no tracker kind descended that slow. Usually they range between 3,000 and 7,000. Apaya. Now Ghana tumale marfashele bring to like surface to air missile la karpala linjmanam sankarbe. So that is the question. Ami tumale la surface to air missile, surface to air weapon shell. Then to kanu to kuzantam ban ni mele bahizuksa kara chanla la distance ma to make it impact.
Yes, karpala soja no ya male then to be civilian nuni la ka buharon. Okay.
So that is the question. Two. Bobo siane lo shepolo gamomane no ma galamse activities kanimane.
Wow. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Galamse activities kanimane.
Nisa yela debay na bala.
That's what I said the galamse activities kanimane. So the question is when never me you lo shepolo ka uzana teluni mane. You see, and how possible would that have been? Me helicopter causing the travel distance at least
yes,
they said that they realized halbashabia and bubra wum the engine man the furme like the engine I bar motor car the jackerma and the laka engine mara kunda so diranyela being me 11 shaw drana to nung kasoku banyele
yes
especially so when you're dry kazuksad brabia tang banama. So I am wondering
you are finding difficult na agree with Lala
exactly.
Okay.
What I think dinyala deliberate dinyala son targeted the only way I think is possible nyala so that's swap plan to ben sharp plane mama helicopter ma fune apaya
yes
ka so plantle maybe ben yer sa shelma ka so kam non bizarre ka so un sapien te zan bon pe ben sha non de fune. Otherwise I find it very difficult to understand.
So banagum ne kama galam se so am shoot le ma don wa to rule out.
No, come on, in investigations you cannot rule it out.
Yes, my opinion. They will start from somewhere in Panama.
Exactly.
Yes.
It will be very difficult. I'm sure it will. It will be it would have been a technical issue rather than a bongo. I don't know whether Anye online one MP interview on the air last week when that checked the same helicopter. No, jamara kuma mahale ko ni har
don't kana across the interview ma. Wow.
Yes nobanda be nobra yisla Accra Ninchan Afram Plains areas ma through Adomi Bridge areas ma no so kamna helicopter ma from baza da current yerla be yetwa be dadi ne yetwa ma ne ala play on ko shiba na ala fe kabubu ko ene engine ma na ra kum engine ma kum na bang na ala play ma ka ala fe ne kama yi ku dur lore ka engine ta ta kum sum ka mine lore wona pa chen shan wa di engine ma ka ala fe
yes
so kabubu anda mshina ara zan la ba zan ti dun tuna zan la ti shaba ko yene dun da tunu zan la ba ma ti shaba no min banda be plane ma ne akpahaya. So,
I'm a question. Okay,
man,
okay.
you dilemma Karangmala, it would have been a more technical issue.
Issue. Okay.
Again, I could rule out anything. It could have been bad weather because Lala
But even
Dapsima.
bad weather, magba. Never pay any like the angel come out and the yes first la. At least by pilot mother and communicated strong way. And by now, but Bishop Bambi control room la. And but yell that travel the information. Yeah,
So, of my minute, Ghana Air Force, Labella tool and not Queen, Brian, they will lose la communication.
okay, okay.
Bad weather, mean to course.
Mm,
Bad weather, to check a la play cholo, shapolo, ke kutolan kola bago, kukulan to kola baso, show yila la bad weather, man. Akpahaya.
yes, yes.
So, it could have been a factor. Again, hal pahma, al kule tamadi kunung karmala malgam bianme, ka tichete ne bilo shapo, the pangserme,
Yes.
akpahaya. So, when the weather is bad, ka tiche forest area, it gets worse. And especially Zuksa, weather ne beshama. These Oka forest areas, Samirba, Garret, and Banka forest areas, the two attract the last one. So,
Okay.
when I never, Tungman Yele, no Sara Yuxala Dapsilva. It means that Zuxara being Viela. But the issue is Zuxana Viela. Why didn't they make an emergency landing?
But because even them pilting ka helicopter bus share baza the one that make emergency landing somewhere. Okay. Okay. Yes.
That was either a forced landing or an emergency landing. Forced landing, and but a technical issue need to compel Shina be emergency landing because Sabu Viela. That is she kakubu lo shepulo nshige. So then there are a lot of possibilities. Ama manu be yusham. Chiru kuche banye the bandba.
Kabit piarande the shooting and the
In Lala crashes, the two public commentary need to sway investigations towards a certain direction. Then Kabunya resource, there's this crash that happened in Indonesia. Over 200 people
okay, teacher.
over 200 people died. Akpahaya. Families ma suhra yisipam. So the suspicion was that bomb, bomb, kamati banu possession shama. So investigators were forced to conduct their investigations towards that direction Unfortunately, katanya mechanical issue in Daniel. So they swayed them way away from what the real issue was, just because of public pressure shared in that issue.
So finally, nyeka abaza chante jende swawo pulo. Hali nyeka dalane yetu aniru da kwa banza hondo mutala mpana ka de chante bosam sebzan tu ka de tutu wumda no na kala nyel ne gonti ne shira bi samba ne kalawna. Anko yel sebzan para pulo jo katinya tinto rapa.
Yes, so lala aspects man tonguna. Umi akane we ne kakana to kubi kaka DNA the DNA test. No, that's not the case. We have DNA. I mean, Noguchi is one of the best research laboratories in West Africa. They have DNA testing equipment. Health Ghana Standards Authority. They have it. Several
even
hospitals
recently bangumi ani Dolewura Ashton Aisha Holmes be Aisha no panel DNA test ne
DNA testing it is everywhere. But you see, it goes beyond just DNA testing, man. You know why? Because of the bodies, man, manra indilishama. So usually DNA, man, what they use, the most reliable bongo DNA nyina because mami means
teeth.
Teeth,
yes.
So usually she didn't cover, but you say, but because Bumbo and the bang, the lyrics shell don't cause but dev soma. But for instance, bra human nai ka bu'un wajiba be bu'un wajibun kuba. Dinya bu'un ma bu'un jibun kuba. External bu'un kamatin da yar marfa be mizabe ba shama.
Yes.
Mami bomb mala chemical shama my mandele. Lala missiles the warheads makar male chemical shama my mandele. Right? Kananchi helicopter mama man fuo. Dinya helicopter mama man fuo aviation fuo ma bang. Dinya la bomb boom bala bien bang me. Dinya la misa ben shaw da bang boom bala bien bang me. So didn't check out and lala bang sama te mal de bang ba but te ka de machina ganao. So didn't suka bezang ba bezang the samples in South Africa.
Yes, it's not that Ghana cradi Ghana kutu na DNA test kada conclusion tale.
And lala advanced forensics ma look umi aka nirbiya ne ka Ghana kube mo kakale yes it is good team male but it is expensive, really expensive, millions of dollars. So I mala la facility ka bo malo kurbukata ka service ra the country
yes
apahaya. So economically it will not be wise that amala la facilities ka bo use because it is very rare like tribu zuga ka tanyar gamu ungototubo apahaya. So that is the reason why we don't have it in South Africa.
Yes.
Capachon
Final denkaku sasu denkaku en pai especially ka labe sabro konko because the mala nyeka shawa the way command pin yalla social media the wula ka ko en pai observation denka nya ka denka en pai.
So the mala nambwa pila shanga dem pili yibna ne lahban shanga dem pili yibna I yesterday I heard Kofi Akpalu once a year ne now bahare te because cocoa farmers no black. I mean at that moment man, for any reasonable human being to be thinking towards that direction man, it's sad. And again, can Bernard Mona, Mr. Yarne, Cabazon pilot, so when we meet Mama. Look, a squadron leader, squadron leader in so. Okay, Mati Kurba Michel, Trami JJ. JJ rank Daniel flight lieutenant. So I am pilot flight lieutenant, can I pass squadron leader? Karanka Blenyere. And this squadron leader has been in service since 2014. In fact, he's one of the best Air Force pilots in the country. In fact, one of the best pilots in Africa. He just returned from another training.
I'm told in 2023 be when Balama there about
yes.
Okay.
Yes. So for anybody to question pilot, but so at Pamupuna at Ghana Air Force, when such a pilot so won't never meet Mama go do defense minister so won't sue Ghana Armed Forces Zasa. I mean, do you think that will happen? And even beyond that, another cabinet minister and environment and science minister was there, several government functionaries, and they will allow, Innovice to pilot them. So, Lala Filano, yes, Nirvo so Sayate, the brain, but Fila Shabian, the opportunity zerle. At this particular moment, Bankanma Bunkubor Shamyala Adwa at a Sura Adwanam Terba. Ama no young Yama, at the child let's see Bandroma, have a number of Vigo, got a bang, Denda no sham, Kagukatale, Lalaban Tetublano.
The pipe Yunusa, the Yirfa Yunus in a Annie Sazan Tetuma.
by yourself.
Thank you. Okay. Tukati nzetu ni Mr. Dalza mama. Katikana zo tere chang ula kabuna ona mutara be family house dum be changle ala isman zo ko yang samban man mbala nta pambali nyala bambini man ndiru nyeso ndi kunye party executives nti table former mayor honorable Sule Self nti table ula karbondo ma sanargo MC former ona pulo di dila zamshale ka dandre nung ma lahajibse ka ele yeso yeruna nta ora muta bwana be shama trana shirku to bongo naga cheka chanto gum ona pulo di alzam shazantite.
He comes from a very humble background, and life was not that rosy. I mean, I went through the meal with him, and I know what he's gone through. Obtained this status. Yes, I'm a staunch MPP member, well grounded from the onset, just as he was. But that didn't separate us. Most of the landed properties, he acquired long even before he became minister. The documents were with me. These are things people don't even know. Yes. I gave them to him long before he became the deputy national, coordinator for youth employment. He acquired those some plots, even where his mother's houses. I bought the plot for him. People don't know some of these things. He was a great leader. He died in the line of public service.
Ona pulo ku kwelka wuma nti ordial zama pamzantite kale ya ni actually omu hono we mutala danyela friends, a very good friends ka kuno very close friends ndanyaba so ni hono mutala ni yaro hono sanaro former MC ka yangu ku changu ka hono gongdi wuma mami ko webtel da ma yapam nti da ka so asenle ka hono mutala baza NDC ka ku ka so asenle ba ya ni as far back as 20 the one I want to tell you appointment in 2009 be 2010 but that should be 2009 President Miss Kara Miko deputy director of big national coordinator and Dana of YE Denmark when even before that other mutela poeti pam dai be yon kanya ngune ndale na hale umanda kan share tutangle be kan vokati mbole la de ba sunsu ma ngun honorable polo nda chante dale la pulma helicopter me kono mutale mate lamni mane nenta awon yale that pala sa shere kura ko tada no de patuno ono mama belan lan la ya mo pamzanti karbi usana ka yele umno bia wonda chante paga sham aya the la to me most at times it was not someone who kuzan politics be siasa ma example katam hale dalla nenta dinda repeat interview shere la interview ma puno ra yele kama mo honorable Sule Self bimbisha biago ben yina shelpulo and then oben check out mala bon contest ma zo de nyala ben shaade check out mala kama politics ma bu ko yen tabe yer para no ora di fila pon ka honorable Sule Self bar beni mane karzan alzamazanti je ka tanto umle kanyenya on the yesha
Tamale former Metropolitan Chief Executive. We all had the unfortunate incident that took place a few days ago involving some states and government officials. And our brother Mohamed Mutala, who happens to be our MP and Minister for Environment, Science and Technology, happens to be one of them. So today, as a party person, somebody who has also served in government before, we decided from the New Patriotic Party, from the Akufo-Addo government side, to come and pay homage and to sympathize with the Kuri family and to find out, funeral arrangements so that we can also participate. So basically, we are just here to sympathize with them, to let them know that they died for the nation and we all have to sympathize with the families, to console them and to let them know that they are not in this grief alone. All of us are part of it. So basically, simply that's why we are here.
What aside politics? Did you have any special relationship with him when he was alive?
Yes, actually I got to know him through politics.
Okay.
When he was a communication member of the party, and I was equally a communication member till we all, went into mainstream politics and to even contest. You remember I contested the 2024 elections with him, and I can tell you that one of the peaceful contests, devoid of insults, name calling, was between myself and Murtala during the 2024 elections. And I'm happy to say that there was a lot of collaboration between myself and him and the Tamale South MP. And if you ask them, they will tell you that anytime their common fund came, I didn't waste time, I released with them, because the common fund was meant to develop Tamale and to let the people of Tamale benefit. So there was no need saying because they were from a different political party, I was going to withhold their monies so that the people of Tamale would suffer. I even gave 2 facilities to him.
Okay, okay, man, the bitch. Don't come in a pie, Mr. Robicon. I mean, you had a relationship with Honorable. What can you share? With us,
actually, it appears he had a relationship with every media practitioner. So it's not really, hidden.
Yes.
We're not the only media people he was relating with, but ever since this issue, apart from those of us who post on Facebook, because we're shocked with the news that we're hearing.
Yes.
I will tell you that I was very much shocked, because even around from 11 getting to 12, when people started asking those questions, I didn't understand until somewhere around 1, then TV3 actually made an announcement of a breaking news about a helicopter crash. Then, because they were not even going ahead with the news, because they indicated that yes, there's been a crash somewhere, a military aircraft somewhere, but they were not telling us for good about 50 minutes. They were not going into what exactly the issue was. They said yes, there's an emergency. They have just taken information that there was a crash, but so we're now asking because if not because some people called me and were trying to ask whether it's true or not, I certainly wanted to get the information from TV3. When they broke the news in that manner, but all the same, it became very much worse when we started hearing the names, because we were jittery to hear the names of those particular individuals.
Ministers.
Yeah,
because
and
like
you recall I also called you and I was saying that this is what I was hearing. You also said yes, this is what you hear, and I said look, but you cannot just go ahead and sell writing on social media or updating people that no, because we needed to